Let's talk about the Waring Commercial MX1000 XTX. A couple of features about the motor and the noise. All right, everyone asked about the jars and how strong they are. Well, number one, they're all BPA free, but people want to know how strong. The last thing we talk about noise, that was quiet. There's other high performance blenders out there. So if I put this one on high, let her go, and you turn on some others, they're really quite loud. So how strong is it? Strong enough to hold me all day long. People will often think they need a sound enclosure on their blender. Sometimes they just have a loud blender base.